Well, it's Friday morning, about 8:30 or so. Heading back from a walk, going home. And there's a store. Open field, someone's working on, probably gonna build a house. Probably build a house here. There's a chicken. And there's a convenience store. It's only about 10 minutes away from the house walking. So supposedly there's a typhoon coming in Sunday. It's pretty windy today. See what happens tomorrow. It's a little cool. It feels like rain. And it's a chicken place. Then right beside it is a barber shop or a hair salon. That's where I get my hair cut once in a while. If not, I go outside and get it for like $1. So that's another. That's my first time going out for a walk since I've been back. Next week, I gotta go to immigration. Another store right here on the right. Sidewalks are not very big here. And then there's another little restaurant up here on the right. We went there a few times, and then there's a store. They sell eggs and other stuff. Where we get our eggs once in a while. There's a little restaurant. Outdoors, of course. Most restaurants are outdoors. The store here sells everything. Sorry store. And here we are back at Lumina. That's it. Marida. And there's only one road in, one road out. And then we come into the playground. I haven't been cutting the grass that much either when I came back. This is the playground. And this is where the offices were for Lumina, but they moved out because there was just too many complaints coming in. So now they left, and this is all vacant. And that building there, the one on the end, is like their model of what the insides of the townhouses look like. You know, they haven't kept this one up since they left. Same thing with this one here. This is another showroom apartments. So, but yeah, it's a playground. It feels good to be out and walking again. My God, I can't go out walking because the 3-year-old, she follows me everywhere. And there's a garden they have here. They planted all the trees you see on the grounds. All these trees, they planted them here. And then they let them grow. Then they went out and planted them all. I don't know what that is. Seeds. I don't know. All right.